Hello. So I did two stupid trades today. Um, they made sense to me, but it was not a good play, and I will tell you why. First, I traded way too many shares of TYME. Of course, my software is not working. Okay. Um, this is not an ideal play because it could not hold past a pre-market high. I should only be dip buying a pre-market high. Like once it goes like this and it dips back and like use pre-market high as my support, like shit like that. Because this is just a downtrending chart. But I thought that this level could hold the top of this candle in like the 150 area, and that was my risk. And as soon as it crashed through, I got out. I think I played this one mostly on the 1 minute chart though. I saw that there was a lot of support here, and I was like, okay, cool. And then literally 2 seconds later, I was like, oh, okay, and I'm out. But yeah, so it's just really not going anywhere. Let's look at the year chart. It's up on phase 2 study news. It's a biotech top percent gainer, and I tried a big flow today. Usually it's not my thing, but it had some volume, but just not enough to carry it through. Let's try 2 years. Okay. Am I able to load any charts or no? Okay, I have no idea what this chart looks like. Okay. And I also played KPTI because I think I looked at like the 15-day chart and I saw a lot of support in like the 930s, 920s, and I was like, cool, because I looked at the daily chart and it looked like it was having a red day. Today's the first red day, but even though it's green on the day, so I was trying to figure out that pattern, but this didn't even like go above pre-market highs, so excuse me, I just made two stupid trades and I took 500 shares on TYME and I only lost 6 cents a share, but it ended up being like freaking $60. So my account is now at 860. It went from 930 to 860, so that definitely killed my confidence. And I was like, what was I thinking? And you know what the sad part is? That I sized up, not because it's a good play, but because it's a low price stock, and that's not the way to do it. So I was like, ooh, I can buy 500 shares of this because it's a low price stock and I'm taking a speculative position. No, in order for me to size up on anything, it has to be a good play. The daily chart has to look good, all that stuff. So that kind of got cemented in my head. Let's see if I could load the daily chart on this. Okay, I can't. Whatever. But maybe I'll make a follow-up video later on these daily charts. But I'll talk about my entry and exit. Hold on. Okay, so on TYME, I got in 500 shares at 165-ish, somewhere around here. And I got out at 158.21. So from 165, that's 5 cents to 160, and then 2 cents, like 6.5 cents pretty much I lost. I kept my wrist tight and I had a lot of shares, so that kind of sucked. My account went from it was like not the account, but the purchasing thing went from like 829 to 786, so that's $30. Yeah, it was like a $50-$60 trade because I took so many shares, so that sucked. If I just took 100 shares, it would have been just like $6 plus commissions, I guess. Sorry. And then on this one, KPTI, I got in 75 shares because it's such a high price stock. Jeez. And what's it called? I got in at 9.5004, so just a little bit more than 950, and I got out at 951. So like I got in here 950 and I got out like somewhere in there like 951. I was thinking about getting out here in like the 957 area, and I was like, you know what, let me just see if it can keep ramping because I was having hope, but it really just kept getting stuffed at this area. So that's pretty much it. It was like a lot of big floats today, not a lot of small float runners. The charts on the daily were not like the best. I was trying some new stuff in terms of the daily chart. Like I saw that this one was like, you know how it goes like boop, boop, or it's like boop, and like, you know, you're waiting for that red day and then the bounce. I think I just got in too early. I have something in my throat. And because I'm eating a rice cracker. Hold on, let me drink some water. So I'm eating a rice cracker with peanut butter right now. So that sucked. I hate like getting stuffed like right away. Like if I would have gotten 146, maybe I could have made some money, but not much. Like it just wasn't an ideal play. You know what I mean? Like over here it was cool from 139 to 170. That was cool. Even up to here, 178. So I don't know why I did that. I guess I was waiting for the stock to like shake everybody out and like kind of see where it's holding support. But I literally bought when it fell off the cliff. So great job, Liz. And over here, my initial plan was to get in around like 920, 930 in terms of money because I saw that it was holding support over here, like in the 930s, and it was cool. Maybe it'll bounce. It had a little bounce over here, and then I waited for a pullback. You know what's funny? Every time I see a bounce, I'm like, oh, get in, get in, get in. And then I remember, like, it always pulls back. Always pulls back. It's so crazy. You know, like I was over here at like what 950 and it went all the way down to 946 and I could have risked off of 937. You know, like it's so silly. And that would have been a nice like 30-cent trade. But whatever, I just totally messed up today. I like really grinded down my account and I have to be really, really careful next time. So I think I have a day trade on Tuesday and then I have 2 more on Friday. Also, the 2 J trades that I had today, they were like burning a hole in my pocket. I was like, okay, what can I trade? What can I trade? What can I trade? So, you know, I'm just like not doing what I'm supposed to be doing, which is waiting for better plays. Like as soon as I have a day trade, I want to use it, you know? So that's been kind of a struggle for me. Maybe that goes away when you have like 25K and you just like look for good stuff, or maybe you're just trading everything. I don't know. But they seemed like good ideas, and then this was just like so much waiting where I was just like, you know what, let me just get out of here. And this was just like, if it broke my wrist, I'm out. And somebody in the chat room asked me if I'm loose, and I was like, am I loose? And then they were like, yeah, are you loose and did you lose? And I was like, that's such a crazy question, you know? Like, maybe they can't spell, but I was like, and then they just disappeared, so I was like, whatever. But it was just like, of course, you know, just so weird. Like, I think they were just asking me like, did you lose? Whatever. It was funny. It was funny. I was like, this is hilarious. So that's pretty much it. And I was trading from class. I'm not gonna lie. I had a lot of anxiety today. I'm like, I don't want anyone to see me. You know, I'm like trying to focus on a million things at once, and the anxiety of this is flowing through me, and then the anxiety of this is flowing through me. This was a green trade, believe it or not, by like 1 penny or like 3/4 of a penny, but it's like not good enough, you know? But, ugh, stupid. You know, that's what I want to say. But you know what? I'll just shake it off and I'll come back. I haven't blown up my whole account. I can still recover. I just have to be very, very careful now. And I remember, I think did I get down to 930 or did I get down to 830? I don't remember. But I think I whittled my account like really down before. So if I'm careful, maybe I could like get back to break even. So yeah. Ugh. Okay, bye.